Hello guys, how are you? It's me, Engr.ashfaq. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to sketch this AutoCAD 2D simple drawing. So first of all we will use circle command. Radius of first circle is 10, second one is 20.5 and third one is 23. Just draw a simple line from perpendicular line. So now offset this line on one distance. Okay. Now draw a circle of radius 5 on that point. Okay. Now go to polar arrays, select circle, press enter. Okay. Also goes to folder array, select object, specify center. Okay. So now we will use trim command. So this is our final drawing, which is ready, and we are going to take print of it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thanks.